Hi Cancer, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for December 2020. Before we dive into the video, I would like to wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'll also use some Oracle decks that I have here. Even a Love Oracle deck, this one right here. So let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Cancerians, I believe you were planning about the future. Many of you may have also invested in gadgets, or maybe you had made some investments of some kind. Nonetheless, there were disagreements with respect to money, or money had created discord in your relationships. Some of you may have also had to face technical issues, or maybe gadgets were malfunctioning. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Again, money could create discord in your relationships, but then this is a time when you need to capitalize. In this month, you have to make plans about the future. You should be more forceful with respect to your earnings or with respect to your professional choices and decisions. Largely, you have to cash in and make the most of the material vibration that this month is presenting you. Another thing I'm also picking up is I think you need to compromise rather than be very adamant and forceful about the decisions that you make. Maybe you should listen to the viewpoint of others. Sometimes you may also feel that your viewpoint is being ignored, so that is why you're hell-bent on having your way. Influences for the month of December for Cancerians, we have Eight of Wands. Good news is definitely on the card, so maybe you could get good openings with respect to a job position or something. In case you have applied for a job also, this is a good time. But I think you should also tone down your expectations a bit. Maybe you think that the money on offer is not what you would have desired. Nonetheless, you should make use of your contacts. Your social life is also going to increase in this month. So, or maybe travel is also on the cards for many Cancerians. So in case you come across new people, then you should advertise yourself or promote your skills. Even on the social media, you should go all guns blazing. You should be aggressive, and you should understand how social media works so that you can promote yourself there as well. The first 10 days of December for Cancerians, we have the Three of Cups. Again, reunions as on the cards. You may also be hearing from people or acquaintances. Like I said, you should tap into your acquaintances and friends, and you could benefit from them. Maybe you should also seek the help from young people, because young people will help you in case you don't know how to operate a gadget, or in case you don't know how to promote yourself on the social media, then they can assist you. Towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Two of Wands. I think many Cancerians will also be concerned about younger people. Maybe if you have a child, then you may be worried about your child's health as well. Between 11th to 20th December, I think there could be momentary tensions, but then all those tensions will fizzle away and you will find solution for the problems. Maybe you need to be a bit patient. Later you will be relaxed and happy, no doubt. Younger people will again come to the rescue and they'll assist you. So maybe if you have issues with respect to finances, maybe you could ask a young person to help you out, and the person will do the needful. Basically, you just have to ask. In case you're going for a work interview, I think you should work on your attitude. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is too full of himself or herself. Nevertheless, Cancerians, in this period, you'll find that your family members will promote you, or they will promote your skills. In case you are dealing with a client, you may not want to negotiate, you may want to put your foot down, but then the client could think that you're not making allowances for him or her. I think it would be best if you would negotiate and make gains, because something is better than nothing. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 31st December, we have the Death card. Change is coming into your life, and this change could transform you as a person or as a personality. It is hard at first and it could get a bit chaotic in the middle, but then towards the end you will find that everything falls in place. There will be pressing matters that you have to attend to in this period. Maybe you could also find that you are making gains, but then it's less than what you expect. Whatever it is, take heart from the fact that you are able to complete a lot of tasks quickly. Appreciation will also come your way from your clients or even from your juniors. In case you are being troubled on account of some problems at work, then I think you should have a heart-to-heart discussion with your administrator. Timely intervention by the management could also work in your favor. With respect to your love life, Cancerians, we have the card Divine Timing. So divine timing is at work. You need to be patient because everything has its place and time. Nothing happens before its time, right? So you need to be patient. I think Cancerians can also expect unwanted attention from the opposite sex, even on the social media. Like I said, your social life will be on the upswing, so maybe you will come across new people and there'll be new suitors. In fact, a particular admirer will go all guns blazing and he'll want to woo you, sweep you off your feet, but then maybe you're disinterested. Maybe you're also someone who is not willing to acknowledge your feelings. Maybe you're a bit hesitant as well because you believe that it's not time yet. Those who are crushing on someone also, I think you want to make them move or you want to express your feelings, but then you will withhold yourself. Romancing Cancerians, I think you'll have brief but profound conversations. I think you should acknowledge each other. Even if, in case you're also married, I think little gestures what your spouse done should be appreciated. You shouldn't always be whining or complaining. You should be also mindful of the fact that your spouse does a lot of behind the scenes work and is always there for you, even if it's not visible. Basically, you should avoid disagreements, especially if you are married. I think you will realize that all the issues are inconsequential. The health of your spouse could also be a factor in your relationship. Another thing I'm also picking up for some of you, marital infidelity, or you could be in a third-party situation, so that is a possibility for you. For some of you, you should also be very tolerant of your in-laws. Maybe they think that you're very dominating as a personality, so it rubs them the wrong way. Those who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you could be surprised to hear from the person, even if it's like a bolt from the blue. We have other messages. Cut your cords is a message from the angel therapy deck. So Cancerians, in case you have fear or in case you are being held back on account of negative thoughts and emotions, then you should let go of these fear-based energies, even these fear-based relationship, which is not allowing you to progress or not allowing you to move forward. They limit us in more ways than one. It has a bearing on our self-respect and self-esteem as well. So Archangel Michael is asking you to call upon the angels, and maybe you could also do some spiritual cleansing as well. Another card we have here is music. You are being asked to listen to music to heal yourself, or in case you are interested in music, or in case you have a affinity towards musical instruments and you want to learn and cultivate it as a hobby, then you should do just that. Your musical skills will also help heal others as well. Support is the last card which we have here. So your life purpose, or always remember that in case you think there's lack of support or you're not getting the assistance that you require from your loved ones or from the people around you, you should be open to taking support. You should express yourself, or you should let them know that you are depending on them for support, whether it's financial assistance or anything else. You should also remember, Cancerians, that your angels are also supporting you in your work. Sometimes we don't know, we are very hesitant about taking that step forward or moving in another direction with respect to career because we think that it will be a failure. But you shouldn't think those things. Rather, you should proceed because you should remember that you are being well supported. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Tower with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week, so have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.